Alright, state your name.
Francise Birdling.
Do you know why you're here?
Honestly, I don't know. Wait, aren't you human? Well, if so, tweet!
You have no idea why you're in here. You're wanted for first and second degree murder,
What, not third?
grand theft auto, and drug trafficking.
I'm a bird, I can't drive.
But you can talk?
Ah, you got me there.
Extortion, burglary, forgery, arson,
Arson? Well, that may have been a spec situation.
tax evasion, assault and battery,
I assaulted a battery?
and even jaywalking.
Jaywalking? I would never.
Miss Birdling, your criminal record is by far one of the biggest I've ever seen. Now, sign the confession, and we'll just go ahead and put you in your little bird cage.
I'm not signing a confession. I have nothing to fess up to. I haven't done anything.
Sign the confession!
No!
I'll force you!
Then I'll call the police!
I am the police!
Are you giving me attitude?
Sign the confession!
No!
Oh, I'm sorry.
And cut.
Bob. Bob, I realize this is your first day, but you're in the wrong room. Oh, snap!
No, that's all right. By the way, Bob, what kind of car do you drive?
A silver 2008 Cadillac. Why?
Well, when you go out to your silver Cadillac, there will be a nice little present waiting for you.
Why, thank you. It's my first day and things are just really rough. Wait.